Hello guys, so today guys we have another new product from Zhiyun guys. We have the new Zhiyun Weebill 2 combo. So again guys, we have two part of Weebill 2 Pro and Weebill 2 which is the normal one, but we have the Weebill 2 combo guys. So again guys, let's check what's inside the box of this Weebill 2 combo. Again, this is the Weebill 2 guys. This is the box of the Weebill 2. Yeah. And down here guys you will see and written here guys what's inside the box, in the box of the Weebill 2. You can see some bags, the stabilizer itself, the battery, the stand, I think the mobile holder, and yeah, the riser and manual. So yeah, again guys, let's start unbox this new Weebill 2. So ito guys, box na natin. Ayan guys, so we'll check the box guys. Ayan, parang may another cardboard for the box. And you have here your bag. Ayan guys, so this is the Zhiyun bag guys from the Weebill. Ayan, so the bag is nice guys. So we have a new design of bag of the Zhiyun. So first, okay, let's check first the bag. Okay, then ayan, you have something for the strap, so you can put some strap guys, ayan, to make it slim bag. Ayan. First you have your hidden hidden compartment here, which is ayan, so you can put some accessories in this area, which is ayan, zipper. Then you have another zipper here, which is your accessories item again, and expandable guys, so you can expand. And you have your zipper again, and you have here the, I believe this is the strap. Yes guys, this is the strap of the Weebill. Yeah, so you can strap it here guys. Yeah, so first this is the strap. Okay, then yeah, you have two main strap here again guys, from the upper one, and this is the lower one. So let's check first, I think the upper one. Yeah, so from the upper guys you have your, this is your mini stand of course. Then you have also your, oh, it's very nice tie, but we will check later guys. I think this is the other holder guys, so you have two holder type, so the second holder. Then we will open again the other zipper guys. Ayan. So ito, and yala, ito guys ang ating Zhiyun crane to Weebill 2. So Zhiyun Weebill 2. So ito siya guys. As well, bago natin tanggalin, before we gonna remove the Weebill 2, check the accessories. Again, you have first your Weebill 2 manual. Yeah. You have your plates. Yeah. And it's already with this one, this kind of balancing for the lens lens support. Yeah, on all the cables guys. Ito, all the cables here from Zhiyun. I'll put all in the description what is in the cable guys. Again, and you have the last piece is the riser. They call riser, something ganon. Yeah. And yeah, it's a razor plate. And of course, ayun, wala na. Then this is the main Weebill guys. Wow, it's a new design Weebill 2. It's very nice looking Weebill 2. So eto ang ating Weebill 2 guys. Let's put some. Yan. Then daran guys. So this is the Weebill 2. Angas guys, so yan. Again, we will try to charge and we will try to use with the Sony camera. So yan guys ang ating Weebill 2. So again guys, if you want to know more about our Zhiyun products or any stabilizer from Zhiyun or DJI, you can check into our website guys at www.aabworld.com. So we have available Zhiyun crane or Zhiyun products and DJI for stabilizer. So we have for your mobile, for your mirrorless camera, DSLR camera, and even for your cinema cameras. So again guys, so if you want to know more about the pricing and guys, availability. Again guys, I think that's it for today. Again, check our website www.aabworld.com, or you can visit us here guys in Symphony showroom if you want to test the try the Weebill 2. We have the demo unit guys here in Symphony showroom. So again guys, I think that's it for today. Again, don't forget, check or visit our showroom from Symphony, Igayla, and Shamia. So again guys, I think that's for today. Flex time for sa want to flex my team, which is Team Positive Vlogger. Shoutout to all the admin members ng Team Positive. Syempre ang ating PBK 2.0 na si Palaboy at si Brian Puntanar. So again guys, hanggang dito lang. Thank you and mabuhay.